How's it going, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Hope your day is going awesome. I do have some really good news coming in about, for Bitcoin technical analysis. Before we get into it, though, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on X as well. All right. So what we're looking at right now is Bitcoin is following a previous chart pattern that we saw in 2016. And I'm going to show you the charts, some technical analysis, and why some analysts think that a Bitcoin rally could be near. All right, so let's get into our article here, and let's see. So the countdown starts now. Bitcoin crosses a key bullish indicator for a second time in history, only the second time. So the value of Bitcoin has recently experienced a correction. We've been in this massive bear market for what 2 years now. It's just been a drag. If you did survive this bear market, I just want to say congratulations because this has been one for the ages. It's drug on, and a lot of people are leaving. We'll see them come back probably, but some people are taking this time to learn a few things, maybe some technical analysis. Also, uh, dollar cost averaging maybe, or setting up some plans in place for when the next bull run does start, which is awesome. So I've been trying to brush up a little bit on technical analysis when I do have the time. I do work full time as well, and yeah. But anyways, let's get back into our article. So the maiden cryptocurrency continues to trade in the familiar range below 30,000. Meanwhile, technical indicators suggest Bitcoin's poised for a rally based on historical price patterns, which we'll get into down here. So the Scalping Pro pointed out on X that Bitcoin's moving average convergence divergence, the MACD indicator, has undergone its second bullish cross after crossing below the zero line. So it's worth noting that such an occurrence has only happened once before in the history of Bitcoin, back in 2016. So this pivotal moment was followed by a significant bull run that substantially increased Bitcoin's price the following year. So this is not something that's going to happen overnight, as we can see in this chart here. So we're looking at the bullish cross back in 2016 happened. You can see in this green box here, I believe that's green, and then the price did move up significantly, but it was more towards 2017, and then started cooling off a bit in 2018. So the same hold is holding true here with the bullish cross. We're seeing it here. So this is what they're projected. I mean, obviously, this is not financial advice. This could happen. It might not happen. This is only the second time in history that this has happened. Um, so we see here the bottom was in, which I do believe the bottom was in a Bitcoin. That's always been my personal opinion. After we saw it down around, I believe it was the 16,000-ish, 17,000 area. I do believe that was the bottom. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, but that's just my opinion. So we'll see here 2023. So we're about there. So they're thinking by the end of 2025, possibly around start of 2026, that we could see the top around the $200,000 mark. So the analyst acknowledged Bitcoin targets the 27,000 mark. The indicator signals long-term trends. However, he cautioned that in the short term, investors should expect price fluctuations and sideways movement before a rally takes place. We all know how volatile crypto is, right? While technical indicators are likely to influence Bitcoin's valuation, the asset contends with external factors such as macroeconomic elements and regulatory developments, obviously. Notably, the approval of a spot ETF, Bitcoin ETF by the SEC could also turn the market bullish. Finbold is the uh, it's analyst or whatever. So they reported for potential for a bull run could be reignited if Bitcoin can secure a sustained close above 28,233. So I'm going to go into some technical analysis here. So Bitcoin is currently dominated by bearish sentiment, and based on recent price movements, Bitcoin's potential to reach all new all-time highs hinges on its ability to maintain the price above 27,000. So in order for the market to remain bullish, we are going to have to get to 27,000, hold steady there for quite some time, have a little bit of sideways movement there. We're going to have to, maybe trend sideways for a little bit, just to basically kind of build a floor there. and hopefully we'll get ready for the next leg up. We do have, the SEC with Bitcoin ETF approvals. Lingering in the future. Eventually, they're going to be done. They're going to have to. I don't think they have a case to stand on to reject them now. So I think that they're going to have to approve them. It's just depending on when. And the Bitcoin halving coming up later, like probably early to mid 2024 is when it's expected to take place, maybe around May-ish area. So we have those looming in the future, and I do hope these things do come to fruition because we've had a drastic, long, drawn out bear market, and I think we deserve a little bit of green and upside. All right, that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.